Hello Aldermoikies, so welcome back to my channel. I really hope you've been having a good day. If you would like to see how I did this cookie cutter, heart stamp, burn makeup special effects look, then you should keep on watching. Ignore the wax on the forehead, it did not work out, it was really hard to work with, so we're just going to move on to latex and a latex sponge. So using liquid latex and latex sponge, I'm just going to be creating the areas of skin that I'll be lifting up. Please remember that you need to layer these quite properly because you need it to be nice and thick so it's easier to lift up. I ended up scratching myself a few times because my layer of latex was not thick enough. So you do one layer of latex and you let it dry. You'll know it's dry if it goes completely transparent, so you'll just see shiny skin. And then you can do 4 or 5 more layers and you set it with powder afterwards so it's not too sticky. And you can always do another layer of powder and another layer of latex. It all depends on how thick you want it. Remember to dance because you're happy. I just took some foundation which is slightly darker than my skin to cover the layers of latex. You can see it going over latex with foundation leaves it quite patchy. And just to give my face a bit of a contour, I used a really light concealer on my under eye area and my T-panel. This is probably the fastest smoky eye I've ever done. It wasn't important. And then just a little contour and mascara because you want to look like we're wearing makeup. And a red lip because why not? Then carving a heart shape into the wax, just so that it looks like it's cut. And then back to my injury wheel, I'm using purple and red for this one because you want to make it look like it's deep. That's why I use the purple, and then the red makes it look a bit ugh. And then adding some fake blood, obviously. Don't add too much, otherwise it will start running down your face. So now for the liquid latex areas, I just use a red liner and then a tweezer. Please be careful when you're using that tweezer. I poked a few holes in myself. So just lifting up the skin and then adding some discoloration underneath the latex and then around it as well. So making these almost like scratchy areas around the lifted skin is going to make it like it looked almost infected, but like it's been there for a while. As you can see, it's just a bunch of repetitions. So after your latex layer is down, just let it dry, covered with foundation, and then start lifting it in the shape that you want your scarring to be. Then filling in the deepest part of the scar with the purple, and then around it with red to make it look like it's slightly fresher. And yes, there I poked myself with a tweezer. Latex does hurt, so if you want to remove latex, please use either baby oil or water. Best advice is just to go get in the shower. Well, that is it for this tutorial. It's pretty easy, just repetition. Thank you for watching all the way through. I really appreciate it. If you did like this video or you found it helpful or amusing or entertaining, please remember to hit the thumbs up, and if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. Bye donkey. So I hope to see you on the next video, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see a more in-depth latex tutorial. Maybe yes, no, we'll see. But I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.